welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy and this video is a DIY strap for this Chanel inspired bag. I want to present to you my granddaughter, Peyton. She has joined us here for this video. So I want to ask you, if you find this video fun or entertaining, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up. And also click on the notification bell so you can be notified of any future videos that I upload. So let me show you how to do the strap for this Chanel inspired bag. So here is the star of the show. This is the bag that I want to make the strap for. I bought it on Amazon from Lamb Gallery and is a Chanel inspired bag. It's made of plastic all around. See? That's the sides and the back. In the back it has a pocket where I have iPhone XR and it fits. I love the chain, the gold and the silver trimming. I picked the silver. It comes in black, silver, white, gold. Very cute for the summer. I think it's very cute bag. I can't wait to finish the strap for it, so then I'll show you. So let me show you part of the items that you will need for this DIY. You're going to need a measuring tape. You're going to need some clear packing tape. Any brand, doesn't matter. You're going to need a pair of good scissors. You're going to need rope, whether it's white, black, or any other color that you want to do the strap in. I picked white because the bag is clear, so you're gonna need plastic beads or plastic pearls. I bought these giant ones in Joann's, and I bought these in Michael's. I bought 2 packs of each, and I only used 1 pack of each. Also, you guys, I wanted to show you the other items that you're going to need for the DIY. You're going to need some type of clip to connect the rope to the chain. I bought these that are swivel bottom and they're clips, and I also got these from this keychain that I bought on clearance, and they go like this, which I think I'm going to opt for those. I like them better. And also you're going to need a drill. My husband drilled holes on these on the pearls, and he drilled the small ones as well. But yeah, these are all the things that you're going to need for your project, and let's get started. Okay, so what I did here was aligned all the pearls the way I wanted to see them on the strap. There is no particular order. You can do as you wish, obviously. And what I did was I cut a piece of the rope, and I cut it was 13 for the strap and 2 more at each end, which made it 17, and it was too short. I cut another piece of rope, which I didn't measure, and it's cut about 54 inches. At the end of the rope, what I did was I put tape as tight as possible. That way the beads can go in as if I was threading, right? So we're gonna do it in the order that I want the beads in, right? So let's start with the small one for the end. Look how easy this is, guys. No science project on this part. This is the easiest and fun way to do it. Alrighty, here we go. And let's just measure this to see. And it's okay, about almost 12 inches, which is perfect. Let me show you how it's gonna look. Like that. So cute. So cute. What we're gonna do is gonna come here. So what I wanna do is make the first knot. I'm gonna make a knot without tightening it so I can add the clips. Okay, another knot. Did right? And then I was looking at these clips, although they're more practical because they would look like this, more, you know, but the color of the gold in it, I didn't like, it didn't match. So we're not gonna use those. Now look at these. See? So I'd rather these than the others. So what we're gonna do is kind of put it through the loop of the knot there, and then really tight as you hold this. Okay, there we go. Okay, just like that. Here we go. Here we have it. You loop around the gold part of the chain, okay? So, yeah, you loop it through, see? Just like that. Let it go. And there you go. It's on, see? Same thing with this side. There we go, 1 and 2. Here we go. So what I'm gonna do now is take the back and measure where I want it, and I knotted it at the bottom. Measure where I wanted it, and you want them to look alike, right? Measure at the bottom, and I'm gonna cut the rope and leave some, you know, they sell something that you can put at the bottom of it so it don't flare out or flare out. So we cut the ends, and that's the finished product. DIY strap. Very Chanel-y. Very cute. They sell the strap, but it's fun when you do it yourself, see? Just like that. So yes, guys, so this is the bag. So cute, I'm obsessed. Let me show you what I can fit in it. So I'm gonna put in my mini pochette. I'm gonna put in my key holder. Let's put it in the front. I'm gonna put in lip gloss mask, must have, right? I think that's it. This is the little puff that I have on my my mini pochette. To fit that, and then in the back pocket, I can fit my phone. So there you have it. She looks very cute. I love it. So let me show you how it wears. So guys, let me show you how the bag looks. So cute and so fancy. So guys, this is the end of the video. I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you if you subscribed, and also if you did not, then consider that and give me a thumbs up. And I also want to leave you on a positive word, which is found in Jeremiah 29:11, which says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, but to give you a future and hope." God bless you. God keep you. Until next time.
Ooh, let's go. The show me shirt.
Yep, paint and jump in the video.
Go to our channel.